I do it.
Yeah, come on. It's on record! Stop! It's camera. Stop it. Ready?
Is it recording?
Yep. We can do it, Levon.
OG Sean
Oh, here
Johnson.
come the police. Oh my God. We can record it. Is it because they see us on the camera? I don't know. Ready? Ready? Are we not supposed to be on this podcast? I don't know. Come on. That scared me. Me too. I want to play with you. I'm going to walk that. Come on. Let's get the crap out of me.
You. I'm about to leave y'all. And push down.
Let it go.
Right.
Woo! You know what the trick is?
What?
You gotta use your arm.
What?
That's what I did.
How?
Cause I was like this.
You pushed yourself up?
Yeah.
You cheated. Oh. Come on, so I can record y'all too now.
Doing what?
No, because he cheated.
I know. I wasn't about to push myself up by myself.
Look at you, baby. Stop touching me with your penis. Squeeze the leak. Let go of my...
Ah!
You let go before I will.